You are at the bank. The person behind the counter says, "How can I help you today?"
And you freeze. You know what you need. But the words don't come. You feel embarrassed. You stay quiet.
Going to the bank is stressful. Going to the bank in a different language is even harder.
Today, we will give you 50 real English sentences for the bank, so you are always ready, always confident.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say. Hello everyone, I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to English Cast Duo. This lesson is for A1 and A2 learners, beginners and intermediate students.
We will teach you sentences for 4 real situations at the bank: asking for help, opening an account, making transactions, and solving problems.
These are not textbook sentences. These are real English sentences that real people use every single day.
Here is how to use this video. We say a sentence, then you repeat it out loud.
Don't just listen. Say it with us. Copy our rhythm. Copy our speed.
This is called shadowing, and it works.
Ready? Let's begin.
Maybe you have been nervous at the bank before. That is okay. Being nervous just means you care.
This is a safe space. No pressure. No judgment. Just real English practice with 2 real voices.
Every sentence you say today brings you one step closer to confidence. We are proud of you for being here. Now, let's go.
Part 1. Arriving and asking for help. These are the first sentences you use when you walk into the bank. Listen carefully, then repeat.
Excuse me, I need some help, please.
Excuse me, I need some help, please.
I'd like to speak to someone about my account.
I'd like to speak to someone about my account.
Where should I go to open a new account?
Where should I go to open a new account?
Do I need an appointment?
Do I need an appointment?
I have an appointment at 2 o'clock.
I have an appointment at 2 o'clock.
I am here to see someone about a loan.
I am here to see someone about a loan.
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
Can I take a number and wait?
Can I take a number and wait?
Is there a form I need to fill in?
Is there a form I need to fill in?
What documents do I need to bring?
What documents do I need to bring?
I brought my passport and my address.
I brought my passport and my address.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Can you speak more slowly, please? You just practiced 12 real sentences. You are doing very well.
If you are still here right now, that tells us something important about you. You don't quit. That is rare.
Part 2 is coming, and it is one of the most useful parts. Opening an account. In English, let's go.
Part 2, opening an account. This is one of the first things many people need to do in a new country. These sentences will help you do it with confidence. I would like to open a bank account.
I would like to open a bank account.
What types of accounts do you offer?
What types of accounts do you offer?
What is the minimum amount to open an account?
What is the minimum amount to open an account?
Are there any monthly fees?
Are there any monthly fees?
I would like a savings account, please.
I would like a savings account, please.
I would like a checking account, please.
I would like a checking account, please.
Can I have online banking with this account?
Can I have online banking with this account?
How long does it take to open an account?
How long does it take to open an account?
When will I receive my debit card?
When will I receive my debit card?
Can I set up automatic payments?
Can I set up automatic payments?
What is the interest rate on this account?
What is the interest rate on this account?
I need to update my address on my account.
I need to update my address on my account.
Can I close my account today?
Can I close my account today?
25 sentences. You are halfway through.
Think about that. 25 real banking sentences. 6 months ago, you might not have known any of these.
You didn't stop. That means something. Part 3 is about making transactions, sending money, withdrawing cash. Stay with us. This part is very important.
Part 3. Making transactions. This is what you say at the counter when you need to move money. Listen carefully. Then repeat.
I would like to withdraw some money.
I would like to withdraw some money.
I would like to deposit this check.
I would like to deposit this check.
I would like to transfer money to another account.
I would like to transfer money to another account.
What is my current balance?
What is my current balance?
Can I get a bank statement, please?
Can I get a bank statement, please?
I'd like to send money overseas.
I'd like to send money overseas.
What is the exchange rate today?
What is the exchange rate today?
Is there a fee for this transfer?
Is there a fee for this transfer?
How long will the transfer take?
How long will the transfer take?
I need to pay a bill. Can you help me?
I need to pay a bill. Can you help me?
Can I have this in small notes, please?
Can I have this in small notes, please?
Can you give me a receipt for this transaction?
Can you give me a receipt for this transaction? You're almost there. Just 13 more sentences.
You have practiced 37 real English sentences today. You didn't stop. That is rare. That is something to be very proud of.
The last part is about solving problems at the bank. This is the part most people never prepare for. But you will. Let's finish strong.
Part 4. Solving problems. Sometimes things go wrong at the bank. Here is what to say when that happens. I think there is a mistake on my account.
I think there is a mistake on my account.
I did not make this transaction.
I did not make this transaction.
My card was declined. Can you help me?
My card was declined. Can you help me?
I lost my debit card.
I lost my debit card.
I need to cancel my card immediately.
I need to cancel my card immediately.
I forgot my PIN number.
I forgot my PIN number.
How do I reset my online banking password?
How do I reset my online banking password?
I think someone used my account without permission.
I think someone used my account without permission.
Can I speak to a manager, please?
Can I speak to a manager, please?
I would like to make a formal complaint.
I would like to make a formal complaint.
Can you explain this charge to me?
Can you explain this charge to me?
I need this in writing, please.
I need this in writing, please.
Thank you. You have been very helpful.
Thank you. You have been very helpful. Congratulations. You've completed 50 real English sentences for the bank.
Say this with us. I can speak English at the bank.
I can speak English at the bank.
We are so proud of you. That was not easy, but you did every single sentence.
Now tell us in the comments, which sentence was the most useful for you? Write it below. We read every single comment.
And if this video helped you, please share it with one friend who is learning English. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to us.
I'm Alex.
I'm Mia. See you in the next episode. Keep shining and keep learning.